To Dairy Farm Pest Control number 7. So I'm at my favorite dairy farm again, and starting out with a nice pigeon waiting for me when I show up. So take care of him. And then I go to the favorite perch for the starlings and the sparrows and get a quick sparrow, and then look over to the barn next to me, and there's this starling that's hopping around. So I take care of him. And then I'm walking through and look up into the top of the barn, and lo and behold, there's another pigeon. This one's sitting so nicely, and he's got a nice hard stop behind him, so I couldn't pass him up. And then this one sitting right there, and the one on the right doesn't move, so I take care of him next. This guy's like, do I fly, or don't I fly? Oh, I should have flown. I saw these two sparrows just sitting on the outside of the barn, so figured I'd take care of them since I had the chance. This guy's facing away from me, but with the FX 22, it's no big deal. This one's playing peekaboo. Does he see me? Does he see me? And the answer is yes. We came down to eat with the cows, and one didn't make it. Another one just sitting on the trussels. Spotted these guys on the outside, so I figured I'd go out and get this one off the pole. And then lo and behold, a buddy showed up to find out what happened to him, and then his buddy showed up. This one does a funny hop after. That's so cool. And then this one thinks he's hiding. And then shortly after he hit the ground, I stopped recording, and the farmer's cat came out to take care of him for me. This next one, this is a 50-yard shot. And you'll see that after I shoot him, right behind him, I dent the roof. I'm like, dang, this gun is too strong. Another pigeon on the inside. And he goes down. And then there was one on the right-hand side of him that didn't fly away, so he goes down. And I got one going, how do I get in there? How do I get in there? You don't have to worry about that anymore. Then we go back to my favorite roost, Mr. Starling. And that's the end of him. So this shot, I did not realize it when I first took it, but it turns out that it was a double. So let's take a look at that in slow motion. So when I lined up, you can see that head just on the right-hand side. And I'll be darned if I didn't get two with one shot. That was pretty cool, seeing as it had to go through the bird the long way and then get to the other one. And another one on its favorite roosting spot again. Then I walk around the corner. This one's walking away from me. I'm able to get him. Another one on its favorite perch on that one barn. And then we wrap things up with, again, my favorite perch for starlings. And see you later. So, thanks for watching.